Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Kambarik and today I come with an excellent topic. The topic name is why girls are better than boys in every sector. Do you know guys why girls are securing good marks and why girls are getting job first and why girls are securing high marks in every sectors? Yes, I would like to say that in every field use judgment that girls are better than boys because why you know that most of the girls are staying at home, they are obeying their parents and they are obeying their siblings and as well as they respect to their senior citizens as well as grandparents. So they are praying to God and working at home and they look after their health, they look after their study, even they look after their character. But most of the boys are violent. They are going out of the home and riding the bike and smoking cigarette, having drugs and wine, and they are addicted with some bad activities. So that's why most of the boys are violent than the girls. So girls are mainly a simple, gentle, kind, honest and civilized because of their parents, because of their obedience. So I would like to say if the boys would follow the activity of the girls, they can be also civilized, so they can be also simple and humble. So I would like to say I think most of the modern boys are think we are the hero of ourselves, we are the great of ourselves and we can do everything and nobody is greater than us and we are the greater. I would like to say as long as they have not think that they are the zero and they cannot be a hero. Those who feel zero themselves, they are the real hero. Those who feel zero or those who feel hero themselves, they are the really zero. I would like to say most of the girls are very affectionate to their parents and their siblings and their character and their study and their respect to their teachers. So this is the reason that most of the girls are securing high marks in every field and girls are getting job first and girls are getting justice first. So I would like to say boys are mostly violent and they are not able to control themselves and they are not able to control their mind, they are not able to control their activities. By this way the most of the girls are facing most of the boys are facing lots of trouble and they are counted as a violent person in the society. So I would like to say and girls are also important for us because they can be a mother, they can be a sister or they can manage their family and our family depend upon the girls and we should also give importance to the girls and we should respect them, support them, cooperate them. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my videos.